How to change country location in YouTube. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change country location in your YouTube mobile app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your YouTube app, and then once you're on your YouTube app, you have to tap on library here in the bottom right corner. Then here tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then here tap on settings, and in settings tap on general, and here in general you will see here location. Tap on it and select the location you want, and after selecting tap on cancel, go back. Then here if you go to your explore and tap on trending, here you will see your location is changed. So I have selected United States, so here it is showing me all of the trending videos in United States. So this is how you can change country location on your YouTube mobile app. Thanks for watching.